Hi. What do you want to do? You want to type on the keyboard? Huh? Do you want to type on the keyboard? Do you want to play with the spreadsheet? Wait, let's back it up. Back it up. Back it up. Yeah.
Come on.
Man, you make it all the way over to the keyboard so you can type on it.